All right, we are back here on the KRON 4 Morning News, and you can see on the big wall back there, we are certainly talking about the weather this morning. It's pretty stormy out there.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's about to get a lot rainier. Let's check in with John Shrable. I know he's tracking it all.
He is, yeah. And John, with this cold front, I guess by the name alone, we know there's also cold air coming with it.
Exactly. Yeah. Cold front comes along with a heavy rush of rain and a rush of that really cold air. Tomorrow morning is going to be a frigid one. That's when all those freeze warnings go into effect. So it's already chilly out there. You're combining cool weather with wet conditions this morning. That's cool enough for you. Tomorrow morning, though, we're dropping into the upper 20s. That means cover those plants tonight leading into tomorrow morning. Where we're sitting right now, we're just now starting to see some light showers picking up for the bay itself. Heaviest of rainfall is still concentrated to the north of the bay, up in portions of Marin, Sonoma, and Napa counties. That line of showers not really having a whole lot of steam to it just yet, but we really should see this line picking up as it crosses the Golden Gate. Heaviest of rainfall is situated up in Lake County and then transitioning to snowfall as you head up into the mountains of both Lake and Mendocino counties. But where we're sitting in San Francisco, just some light sprinkles. Marin, Sonoma, Napa counties, moderate showers up there. Still quiet for the South Bay and the East Bay. Zooming out across the region, heavy snowfall already falling in the coastal ranges, as well as north of Redding on I-5 up to the Oregon border, and then across the southern Cascades into the Sierra Nevada. Already seeing some rough conditions heading up to the Sierra. So from this point forward, I would wait until tomorrow for your drives up Highway 50 and I-80. If you do want to enjoy this fresh snowfall, tomorrow's a better day to do so. As far as Futurecast goes, 5:15 a.m. right here, you do see that well-developed cold front and the line of showers along it really draped across the North Bay. Towards 6 to 7 a.m. is when we'll start to see rainfall pushing on into San Francisco. At least that heaviest line of showers starting to pick up a little energy as it does so. SF down the peninsula, we'll see some of our heaviest of rainfall, especially closer to the coastline and in the Santa Cruz Mountains itself. By the time that we reach 9 a.m. this morning, Sunnyvale, Mountain View in the midst of some of the heaviest stuff, and after that, really towards 10 to 11 a.m., really the most widespread for San Jose. At the same time, the North Bay starts to dry out, and the latter half of the day is going to be quite clear compared to the start. But this is after that cold front pushes through, so even with sunshine later today, it's not going to warm up any. We're going to stay in the upper 40s to low 50s all day long, and tonight, lows will drop into the 20s under clear and dry conditions, one of our coldest nights of the year so far. So anticipate that leading into tomorrow morning. Rainfall totals today should stay below an inch. Areas like Half Moon Bay could rise just above it. In the Santa Cruz Mountains, upwards of 2 inches of rainfall. Most of us, though, just below that inch mark. And up in the Sierra Nevada, we're talking 1 to 3 feet of snowfall, compounding that with 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Highway 50 and I-80 heading up there are going to be snow-packed, drifting snow possible on roadways and also low visibility. That's why we do have those winter storm warnings all the way up until 10 a.m. tomorrow. Wait to hit the roads up there until afternoon hours tomorrow. Today's daytime highs basically the same as your current temperatures are. We're not leaving the upper 40s to low 50s today, so we stay cool all day long, even with those drying, clearing conditions later today. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, temps not changing much. Tomorrow morning is when we have those really cold lows in the upper 20s. Tomorrow, crystal clear and dry. Saturday and Sunday, it's back to the rainfall we go. Today's rainfall heaviest during the morning with clearing, drying skies this afternoon. Rain.
All right, John, thanks for